From December 1st to December 24th, I will be posting daily videos. Each day, I will be making a different quilt block with you guys. I will get up, walk the dog, get myself a cup of tea, and pick a quilt block. And then I will cut the fabric and make it. This is my very first Vlogmas, and it may just be my last because it is going to be insane. Will you join me? Then don't forget to tap the notification bell to make sure you do not miss out on any of the videos. I think I'm ready to start. Are you? Today we're back to puzzles, and this time it's the old Maid's puzzle quilt block. Ever heard of it? Me neither. But I can't wait to make it though. It's a real simple 2 fabric block I think you will love. A quick reminder that if you want to know about the materials, the tools, and the filming gear I used for this video, you can check out the links in the description.